Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to change home screen grid in your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all you have to do is press and hold on a screen in your Samsung Galaxy A02 to see the home screen setting below. And okay, you'll have to do is click home screen settings. And okay guys, here in home screen settings, okay, you can see the home screen grid is set into 4 by 5. And okay guys, to change the home screen grid, you'll have to do is click home screen grid. And now, you can see the selection of grid, okay, the 4 by 5, the 4 by 6, or the 5 by 5, and lastly is the 5 by 6. And okay guys, I decide to change into 5 by 6. So you'll have to do is click the 5 by 6 to change the grid of your home screen. And okay guys, after that, okay, you'll have to do is click the save button to save the grid of your home screen. And okay guys, now we have successfully changed the home screen grid in your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.